All right, hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I just reviewed the Child Designs, what's it called? What do you call it? The Micro, which is this thing, pretty cool in brass. So if you haven't seen that video, just go ahead and look it up on my channel. It's there. It's a pretty cool one-click slider, kind of like a cube. So yeah, if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and check it out before you watch this, because today we're going to be reviewing the second thing he included, but I think it's just another half of this to make it like a 4-stack, but I'm not sure. But yeah, let's go and check it out. All right, same cards. Oh, okay. So, interesting. So I guess there's two different versions. One where it's just the 2-click, one click, 2-stack. And then the one where it's a 4-stack. All right, so let me go and open these up. I'm gonna compare them. I think I already see what the difference is. I'm not gonna let them connect yet. All right, so here are the 4 sides. First, I want to go ahead and compare the weight, see if there's any difference. 13.92, 13.81, 14.4, 14, 13.96. It's just the same, just a couple of milligrams off. So, just taking one piece, I can see that the magnet on this one, it's more sort of in the center rather than like closer to one edge than the other over here. So I think that's how this thing works. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, okay, this is really interesting. I absolutely dig this thing. Can I connect these two? That's pretty cool. But you can't tell the difference. There's different like engraving on the side. But that is really, really cool. Can still work. What if I put these on this side? Interesting. One sec. All right, yeah. I can make this, what's it called? A 6-stack, which is pretty cool. I didn't think he intended me to do this, but one thing led to another. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool move. So you extend them all, and then you start doing that. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. That's nice. See. There we go. Got them all. Try that with just these two. Oh my god. Like, I mean, 2-stack is great like this. You can play around with it, but when you get 4-stack, even 6-stack, and you combine these, it gets really, really fun. That's pretty cool. Let me get the weight of all of them together, just so you guys know. There we go. 54 grams. The size as well. Height is 19.9, so 20. 24.9. All right, there we go. But I dig this actually. Put the 6-stack back on. Man, I dig this. And they're really affordable too. It's like 40 bucks. And the part where you extend it, it's pretty cool too. But yeah, I'm gonna put this aside for now. I'll make a whole in-depth video where I learn more about this thing and the cool tricks and stuff like that. So yeah, honestly, this is great. Ooh, what was that? Kind of like a jump. I gotta figure out all the moves and different tricks I can do with this thing. This kind of reminds me of the magnet sandwich. I've never had them. I've ever seen videos, but yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, it's a really, really cool fidget. I would definitely recommend checking it out. I'll leave a link to this thing down below. And yeah, this thing's awesome. Yeah, there you go. Check out his site or Etsy. I'll leave it down below. I gotta get used to this thing more. I'll make an update video later on. Oh, okay, it's good actually. I really like this. But yeah, all right. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And yeah, check out my other videos on the channel. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.